Do you have bananas at your house? Then make this recipe and surprise yourself. You will use just a few ingredients and it's super delicious. Let's start with 6 bananas, and here we are going to slice them this way in round, okay? Let's put it all in a bowl after cutting it, okay? Or a tray, whatever you have at your house. Then let's put 3 tablespoons of honey on top of it. 1 tablespoon of powdered cinnamon. Raisins. Let's mix everything very well. If you want to replace it by another thing, you can do it, okay? But seriously, guys, I like the taste of it. In another bowl, let's add 3 eggs, half a cup of honey, half a cup of oil, 2 cups of oat, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and now you just have to mix everything very well. The batter is already done. Now we are going to take a form, grease it with oil or butter. Okay, here I used a little bit of flour with cinnamon as well. Let's put first the banana and then the batter, a little bit more of the banana, and finish it with the rest of the batter. Look how beautiful it is already, guys. Seriously, it is amazing. Let's take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. And just take a look at it, guys. Seriously, you have to make it. The batter is super fluffy, guys. Even who doesn't like it will love this recipe. And the banana brings a juiciness, humidity to this cake that is unreal. Make it at your house and surprise yourself just as I did. Banana cake, everything that goes banana is not beautiful, of course, it's impressive. If you tell me that it's a banana or apple recipe, it's something ugly, it's a little bit weird, but the important here is the taste, right? It's not beautiful, but super yummy. Look very closely so you can understand what I'm talking about. But you can also put like a topping on it to let it even more beautiful, alright? Make it at your house, then come and tell me what you thought about it. And this was today's dish. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. See you guys around.